Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Wednesday, July 29th, starting off in the September Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Tuesday of 978.5. Above 978.5 in the September Mini S&P was considered a bullish market for Tuesday. Below 978.5 was considered a bearish market. I had the first line of support down at 972.25. The second line of support I had down at 963 even. Now, these are 15-minute bars. The regular trading session opened right at the first line of support, right around 972.25. Like I said, these are 15-minute bars. You can see that within the first half hour, we just barely broke through, very briefly, through the pivot level. The market went up just over 979 even. Then you can see that the market had a sharp sell-off from that pivot level going lower. When we're trading in this range, I did send messages out to people that we're in a bearish mode. We already pierced through the first level of support. That I think that we could test that second, or that area around the second level of support down around 963 even. While the market did sell off and go under the first line of support, it did stay above that second line of support at 963 even. The low of the day was 966 even. You can see that obviously the market started rallying back from there late in the morning going into the afternoon. What's interesting here, once again, we had a test of the pivot level. The market went right to the pivot level once again in the afternoon. I did send messages out again to people that we went right to the pivot level. That should serve as a resistance for the rest of the afternoon. You can see that the market came off the pivot level, went just under the first line of support, and then the market did come back and close at 976. I'm sorry, 976 even is where they settled the market. So for Wednesday, market settled at 976. The pivot level is 975.25. Market needs to, September Mini S&P needs to stay above 975.25 for a bullish market. Below 975.25 is considered a bearish market. I'm looking at the first line of resistance up at 983.5. The second line of resistance up at 990.75. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support, 968.25. Second level of support down at 960 even. Some numbers that come out 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. You have durable goods. The expectation is for a drop of 0.7%. Durable goods excluding transports, the expectation is for unchanged. And then at 2:00 p.m. Eastern time, you have the release of the Fed Beige Book. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Also, if you haven't visited my website recently, I do have some new additions on there. You can sign up for a 30-day free futures trading demo account. You can also open up a live trading account to trade with me as your broker through PFG. Thanks a lot and good trading.